Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a good deal, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2019 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features, a must for all families. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control. Come take a test drive today.